Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Before I start my session, I want to give some information about the online class. See, the classes will have, you have to see the class every day and don't miss the class till the government gives any order to offline. Okay, don't miss the class, any class, not only English or not only maths. That only is not important, children. Every class are important. By staying at home, stay safe and be educated. Okay, educate yourself. We are giving you, we are sparing you so much of time, isn't it? You have to, don't waste, without wasting your time, be correctly on the correct this one time you should see the classes. Okay, now I'll come to the topic. Hope you are fine and safe at home. Take out your grammar textbook, right? Grammar textbook, that is workbook plus the textbook. First, all these days in the offline I have completed up to adjectives, right? Adjectives, kinds of adjectives, degrees of comparison I completed. Now I'm going to the verbs. Before going to verbs, let us find out what is verb. Verb is nothing but an action word. Action means now I am teaching. The teaching is a action word. Radha is dancing. Radha is dancing. Okay. Students are listening the class or the lesson. Okay. Boys are shouting, screaming. Okay. What action that is shown? Okay. Birds are chirping. The noun. Any noun, the action is made. That is called the verb. Yes, that is called the verb. Action word. Action word is called action which is made from the noun. Made by the noun is called verb. Action words which is shown by the noun, by the action which is shown by the noun is called a verb. Here we are coming to first this one, present tense. Tense. First we will see what is tense. It shows the time, whether it is going on now or it is done already. The action is already finished or action will start in future. Will start in future. So the time which is according to the time of action, we say the tense. It shows the time. It shows the time. Okay, children? So, now, first, we are having present tense. Now, first is present tense. Now, at present, at this time, this second, this minute, what the action is going on, what the action has been done by a noun. Now, I am teaching, you are listening. Now, this is the action is going on at this minute. This minute is going on, that is present tense. Now, what you are doing, either if you are eating, that is present tense. If you are sleeping, that is present tense. Now, when we are talking about the action, when the time is going on, what the time is there, means that minute, is a present tense. Right? So now we will come to present and simple present tense. Okay? There is a one paragraph. I will read out. So you see that paragraph. Simple present tense. Read the paragraph below. Concentrate, or if you can repeat, you are supposed to repeat it. Father and I wake up at sunrise. Father and I wake up at sunrise. We go for a walk in a nearby park. The air is cool and pleasant in the morning. After a walk, we sit on the green grass and watch the people in the park. So, some people jog while some people do yoga. I enjoy the morning walk and never miss it even one single day. I never miss it even one single day. The simple present tense, what is it? Is referred to a talk about habits. We say about habits regularly and repeat action, generally truth and facts. Say state or condition, possession, sense, thought and feelings. The simple present tense tells us what a person or thing does. What a person or thing is. To be, verb, am, is, are. So they are shows a present tense there also. What a person or thing owns or possess. To have, verbs have, has. So now ticking this, we'll see what it is. Come on to page number 47. Okay, are you ready, children? Write the right word. Tick right symbol of the correct word. My teacher, tick for teachers. Tick for teachers. We visit. Visit. Tick for visit. Cherry never tells. Tells. Tick for that. Tells. I believe in God. I believe. Summer is. Summer is. Hot here. A triangle has 3 edges. Books have pages. Next, 8th one. Correctly you tick, children. Eight, dogs, when there is a plural, R will come. Dogs is a plural. So write R, tick R. Our best friends. Boil, water boils. 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 3 mangoes weigh. They have given you the number 3 mangoes weigh. You may ask why weights no like see, mangoes is a plural, but weighing is in one time. One time we weigh, right? So it is a weigh only. One time we put the mangoes, 3 mangoes together and weigh it for one action. One action is done for That's second. Once. Right? So, weigh only. Weigh 3 kilos. Next. Second mean. Write sentences with changes in the verb as shown. My mother loves me. Loves. Underline loves. My parents love me. Love me. Underline love me. Love me. It is already done for you. Right? We'll write the sentence next. For love, loves me. A car has 4 wheels. Second one is there. Has. A car has. Has. See, it is a singular. A car. One car has 4. Cars have. Cars. Write the sentence. Cars have 4 wheels. In cars have 4 wheels. My neighbor is helpful. My neighbors are. Is a singular. Are is a plural. My neighbors are helpful. Right? Fourth one, he plays the guitar very well. You play. Fourth one, you play guitar very well. You play guitar very well. Fifth one, we watch the show every night. He watches the show every night. Every night. Sixth one. Bala enjoys listening to music. Bala and Masia. Bala once only, it is one person name. Here, Bala and Mala enjoy listening to music. Listening to music. Right? Copy down, children. Write neatly, children. Next, third way. Complete the paragraph with suitable verbs. Use simple form of verbs. Mohan is a driver. First dash is. Second dash, every day he wakes up. Every day he wakes up at is given already. At 5 a.m. He quickly has. Second line. I am writing according to the line wise, children. Has a shower and and takes his breakfast. Takes. Second line. His breakfast. Then he wears his uniform. Wears his uniform. He goes to school and removes the bus from the parking. He picks up children from different points. The bus reaches school. At 3 in the afternoon, Mohan drives them safely back home. Mohan enjoys his job because he loves children. According to the line wise, I have given you children lines. Okay? You can pause the video also, can write it. Okay? Ma'am rubbed, I didn't write. You cannot say give a silly reasons. You shouldn't give the silly reasons, right? You can pause the videos and you can write it. Second one, third main only, sorry. It's third main, second one. Second paragraph. Mr. K works at a bank. He is the manager. He starts. There are 3 blanks in that. Okay? His work at 10 o'clock and finishes his work at 7 o'clock. Sometimes it takes a little longer. Next line, the same you are having. He walks. Next page. This is in the next page. That is page 48. This belongs to the page number 48. He walks to work because he lives close to the bank. He reaches the office and says hello to all his colleagues. Then he tells them what to do. He also helps them when they ask him. Many customers, I'm continuing here, many customers come to meet him. He talks to them and makes them happy. Feel happy, sorry. Mr. K really likes his job. Okay, this comes in the next page, next para. This is 48 page. This is also in a 48 page number only. But next para, you can understand. You are not a small kid, right? Yes, comes to the fourth main. Write negative forms with don't and does. See, we use do not or don't. It's a short form of do not is don't. Okay? Don't or does not or doesn't to make the negative forms. When we don't want to do that work, we say, I don't want, I don't like. Now I don't like tea. I don't like, I do not want tea, right? I doesn't want to play. Who doesn't want, you doesn't want to play? You want to play. You doesn't want to read, isn't it, children? Yeah. No, no. You like to read. Yes. You have to read, children. Okay. So, likewise, when you don't feel to do that work, we use that don't or doesn't. Negative forms in the simple sentence. We use do not when the subject or plural. When the subject is in the plural, we use don't. I, we, you, they. We use doesn't when our subject is, the subjects will be singular. Singular or the pronoun he, she, likewise. We use do or does when it is, we want to say yes. I do, like, is simple present. We use do with plural nouns. So, do and don't. Right, do or don't comes in plurals. Does and doesn't comes in singular or pronoun. When we are using pronoun, we use doesn't. She doesn't want to come here. She doesn't like to play with us. Or she doesn't like to, he doesn't like to talk to me likewise. Okay? Right? Negative forms don't. So when we do this, you'll understand better. See here, this bus goes to the airport. It doesn't. See, the it is a pronoun. It is a pronoun. So, likewise, doesn't has come. She. Second one I'll write, children. She does not. My mother works all day. She doesn't get enough. Doesn't. Or does not also you write. You can write does not get. Doesn't get. I know him, but I don't remember. I do not remember. I do not. Singular. Let's go fast. We do not. We do not have. They can do it themselves. They do not need. They do not need. The taxi driver doesn't have. Does not have. My homework is not very, my hometown is not, my hometown is not very far. It does not take. It does not. Plural, it has come, no. It does not take much time to get there. Excuse me. This dress looks nice, but it does not cost. It does not cost much. Martha is very simple. She does not like. Does not like. My parents are very strict. They do not allow. Complete the question with do or does. First one, does Rama, this one you write, does Rama like pizza? Do you? Second one, first one, second, third. Does your teacher, singular no, does. Sorry, does your comes in plural. Okay, do your parents tell you what to do? Next, fifth one, does it rain? Does it rain? 6, do your cousin visit you? 7th, do the stars twinkle at night? Do all the students bring textbooks? 9th one, does your school have all the facilities? So, I'll stop here and I'll give the assignment. Okay? Assignment you have to write, children. Assignment, learn and write. 4th main. Write the 4th main. From page 48. From page 48, you have to learn and write one time. One time is enough. Okay? 4th main is enough. Right? So, you have to write the assignment on time and submit when we ask you to submit it. Okay? Don't miss the classes and the assignment also, children. So, I'll take a leave today from you and have a nice day. Stay at home. Don't go here and there and stay safe. Have a nice day, children.